Good day everyone. So here's a video tutorial on how to configure DHCPv4. So we have here a set of routers, 3 routers, and then switches, and then 2 PCs. So first we have the objectives. For part 1, configure a router as a DHCP server. Part 2, configure DHCP relay. And for part 3, configure a router as a DHCP client. And lastly, verify DHCP and its connectivity. So we'll do that. Okay. So first we have to do part 1, which is to configure a router as a DHCP server. We have here step 1. Configure the excluded IPv4 addresses. And step 2, create a DHCP pool on R2 for the R1 LAN. Okay, we'll do that. And here's the step 3 for part 1, create a DHCP pool on R2 for the R3 LAN. So now we'll go to R2 and then type enable, configure terminal, and then type IP DHCP excluded address, and then 192.168.10.1. The other one is 192.168. Okay. Into that 168.10.10. Then press enter, and then IP DHCP excluded address 192.168.30.1, and the other one is 192.168.30.10. Next is type IP DHCP pool R1 LAN. And then network 192.168.10.0, and its subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Press enter, and then put the default server and the IP address 192.168.10.1. Press enter, DNS server again 192.168.20.254. So we'll go. So press enter, exit, and then IP DHCP pool R3 LAN, and then we'll start again with a network IP address 192.168.30.0 and the subnet mask. Okay. Okay, 255.0, press enter. The default router followed by the IP address 192.168.30.1. Then again press enter, and the DNS server 192.168.20.254. So that's it. Press enter, close. Okay, we'll look for now we're on part 2. Configure R31 and R3 as a DHCP relay agent. So configure the helper address for LAN interface on R1, and B, configure the helper address for the LAN interface on R3. So we'll go to R1, then enable configure terminal, and then type interface G0/0, then IP helper address 10.1.1.2. And then we'll go to R3, enable configure terminal, enter, and then type interface G0/0 and the IP helper address okay 10.2.2.2. Okay, press enter again. So configure host to receive IP addressing information from DHCP. Okay, configure the host PC1 and PC2 to receive their IP addresses from a DHCP server. Verify that the hosts have received their addresses from the correct DHCP pools. So we will go to PC1 and then IP configuration. So now we'll go to PC1, IP configuration, look for static to DHCP, and we'll see the IP addresses, and then the request has successful. Close. Go to PC2, IP configuration, look from static to DHCP, and then we'll see the IP addresses, subnet mask, and then it is successful again. So configure a router as a DHCP client. Show here. So configure the gigabit Ethernet 0/1 interface on R2 to receive IP addressing from DHCP and activate the interface. Use the show IP interface brief command to verify that R2 received an IP address from the DHCP. So we'll go to R2, CLI, and then configure terminal. Type interface G0/1 and then enter, IP address DHCP, press enter again, and then no shutdown. Okay, enter. So now we have to use packet tracer's fast forward time feature to speed up the process. So we did it, and then we'll do the So now we have to verify the DHCP and its connectivity. So we'll go to R2 and type show IP. No, okay, wait. Show IP interface brief. Press enter, and then there we'll see the interface protocol, IP address, and everything. Okay. So we have to verify the DHCP bindings. Okay, we have to verify the DHCP bindings. Okay, type show IP DHCP binding. Okay, and then there you'll see the IP addresses, client ID number. Okay, 192.168.10.11, 192.168.30.11. Okay. Okay, close. So now we will verify configurations. Verify that PC1 and PC2 can now ping each other and all other devices. Okay, go to PC1 and command prompt ping the following IP address: 192.168.30.11. Okay, wait for its response. So yes, there it is. Okay. Okay, ping again 192.168.30.11. Okay, there it is successful. So now if you see the results, it is 100% completion. Now it's successful. That would be all. Thank you for watching, and may you have a good day.